how to use Snapchat for beginners. So if you want to use Snapchat, if you're new to Snapchat, here's a step-by-step guide to learn how you can use it efficiently. So first, you need to install the application. Once you've installed, you need to open the Snapchat. After that, you need to go and log into your account. Like if you don't have an account, then after installing, it will take you to this kind of interface. It might take you to create your account section or this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with your email and password and just simply go with login if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, you can just simply go with sign up, which will be on the bottom, and create one account. Once you've created, you can just simply go with login. After logging in, you will have the camera icon, which will be on the bottom. As you can see on the bottom, you will have all of these interfaces. So on the middle, if you go with the middle option, then you will have the camera option, and here you will have all of your filters. You can use any filters that you're comfortable with, and you will be able to take a snap. Right. On the right side, if you go with this kind of interface, then you will have all of the stories of the persons that you follow, or you will have all of the stories right here. After that, if you go with the right side again, you will have a play button, right? If you go with that, then here you'll have all of the spotlight videos or the following videos. The persons who have added their spotlight videos on Snap, you'll find all of the videos right here. And if you go with the left side right here, this is the chat button. Once you've made all of your friends on your Snapchat, then you will be able to chat with that person from this. And if you go with the last option on the bottom, which is the location, you will have all of the information about your friend's location and your location as well. After that, you need to go with the camera icon. Now, as you can see that here, you will have memories option on the left side. If you go with memories, then you will have all of the saved snaps right here. So go and just take a snap. After taking, if you go with the download button, which will be in the bottom, it will be saved to your memories. And you can also add the snap to your stories. And here on the right side, you will have a list of features, which is you can add some text or some stickers as well, or you can also go with some emojis or music. You will have a lot of options. You'll be able to crop, and you can just simply go with send to, which will be on the bottom, and send it to your friends. Now, if you're wondering how we can make friends on Snapchat, then what you need to do is you need to go with the top right, which has that friends option or the plus option. Tap on it, and from here, you'll be able to add your friends. You can also go with search, which will be in the top, and search for the username of the person that you would like to add as a friend. And after entering the username, you can just simply go with add, which will be on the right side. And if the other person accepts your request, then you will be friends. And once you are friends, you need to go and maintain your streaks. Like here on the right side, you will find some streaks. If you send snaps regularly, and if the other person is also sending you some snaps, then within 24 hours, you will receive some numbers right here on the right side of that chat, which means you have started your snap streaks. And here on the top, you will have the notifications, all of the notifications like your replies, your comments, your achievements and everything. And if you go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, then you will have all of these options. And if you go with the top left, you will have your profile option. From here, you'll be able to add your avatar, and you'll be able to create a public profile for yourself. And if you want to take a subscription, like Snapchat Plus subscription, you'll be able to take a subscription from here. Or if you want to go with settings, you can go with the top right, which has that gear-shaped icon. And from here, you'll be able to go with your settings. You'll be able to customize anything that you like. So in this way, you'll be able to use Snapchat if you are a beginner. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.